dedication to Manyu sons and daughters all around the world. Sissoko champion Arab money. Executive Director at Global Think and Tank Africa, Joachim Marie, Morsing London.
About Manyu Division. Manyu is one of the administrative divisions in the Republic of Cameroon. It has a population of about 398,000 inhabitants. It's located in the southwest region of Cameroon. It has a rich cultural heritage which can...
Manyu Division is made up of 234 villages within 4 subdivisions. The first subdivision is Nambi Central. The second subdivision is Okaba. The third subdivision is Oimodok, and the chieftain of Oimodok is Oimodok. And then we have Akwaya, and the chieftain of Akwaya is Akwaya.
Riches in the desert ranges from copper and mighty amongst others.
Manyu have 2 clans, namely Bayangi and Akwaya.
Bayangi as a clan has 3 tribes and 3 languages. Kenyans spoken in the Mambi Central subdivision, Ayans spoken in the Upper Bayang subdivision, and Ajanam spoken in the Northern subdivision.
Akwaya has the clan has 2 tribes, the Boki and Denya. These are the 2 mentioned.
Education. Mamfi has no university yet, but a Catholic university is now under construction. The Mamfi Girls College was Cameroon's first all-female boarding school. There's also a teachers training college and several vocational schools.
The regalia for men. The regalia for men is a white shirt worn over a nicely threaded wrapper, all ties formed around the neck, and they are also accompanied by a hat with red feathers.
Male regalia. Titles on the hat that signify the person or they are adorned with an assortment of colors. And other traditional ornaments that put the wear in style.
Regalia. The ladies wear a nicely threaded wrapper, a loose, mostly lace material, with a gracious headscarf well intertwined on the head, accompanied with gorgeous colored beads.
Morning King. Morning King is a control dance reserved for women. The lady who cries the Morning King Queen's head is selected from amongst the most beautiful girls isolated and conquered. She's fed and well taken care of for about her beauty and ability to dance is an interesting event to watch.
Masquerade of the African society, the high society in Manyu Division. Among all the functions, the African society is this big community.
Please don't go, stay here.
Hello.